Welcome to the Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now guys, I got a comment at the bottom of the stock channel. I forgot I didn't go over this with you. Basically it asks, when will the Fed stop pumping? So I do want to go over that, and then also some stocks. So basically, if you look at the action, I went over this on my crypto channel, but I definitely forgot about going over here, which is the most important. So the Fed stops the liquidity December 31st. Now we know they're going to stop before that, but that's the date that they're giving us. And then basically for the commercial paper facility, it ends March 17, 2021. So you definitely want to keep your eye on those dates and do not forget it, because they normally do it way before that date. So you definitely have to keep your eye on that. Now, of course, the actual stock market dropped today close to like 900 points. NASDAQ dropped, S&P dropped. But of course, it made a comeback. Made a comeback right before the closing. So it definitely ended, a lot of these stocks ended okay. Now the Fed, of course, strokes a check tomorrow, so do not forget about that. So basically we'll have more liquidity into the market. I think it's the max is for like $500 billion. So just make sure you are staying focused on your indicators based on your actual stocks. Now let's get into the actual stocks here. Now, so basically we have Apple, who did great doing trading after hours. It got a hit. We have Tesla, did great during hours. After hours took a hit. Same thing with NIO. Funny thing, guys, that chip stocks did great doing trading, and then of course after hours took a hit. So Intel did pretty good. Western Digital did pretty good. And it's like I said, Intel has the dividend stocks now. So just like I said, guys, please make sure you're doing your research. I'm not telling you to buy these stocks. It's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. So please do your own research. Now, basically, Walmart and, of course, Oracle did good today. Walmart did great. Of course, Oracle did okay doing trading and then dropped back a little bit. But we know, basically, tomorrow, Wednesday, we definitely should be fine. It's like it's stated that an extra $500 billion is going to hit the market. So basically the actual stocks that I'll be looking at going forward, of course, is bank stocks. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, actually what took a hit today, but we know what, banks don't lose, guys. If you want to put your money into something, put your money into the big banks. Bank of America, of course, is sometimes they'll let it drop. But JP Morgan and Goldman, they'll drop, but they always make a comeback, because we all know the house never loses. And we know the bank is funding all of this. Now, the major stock that I'm keeping an eye on is Nikola. Basically, of course, GM has an investment in it. I think it's like 11%. Yes, the CEO dropped out, but we know what about this stock. It's a New World Order stock, same way Tesla is. So guys, yes, it was up at $93. It dropped down, I think, to 24. I think it's at about 27 right now. But I'm definitely keeping an eye on it, because it's definitely going to go back up. I just want to make sure that the hedge fund guys are done playing with it. Now, guys, I am going to be doing a video on gaming. Gaming has been blowing up. But, of course, basically, it's definitely going to have a correction. Those stocks have definitely been going up. Now, we also have Tesla's battery day tomorrow, guys. We know Elon gets on Twitter, makes a couple tweets, and the stock goes sky high. So, guys, we know that Tesla is a New World Order stock. So, basically, what you have to be careful of is what they say, buy the rumor, sell the news. So, basically, what they'll have is that they'll run the stock up right when the news is happening, and then sell right after. So you do have to be careful about that. We know the stock traders don't care about nothing that's going on during this battery event. They don't care whatsoever. They're here to get short money, quick money. That's all they care about. So the fact is that basically you definitely have to look for that. So if you start seeing the actual stock rise quickly, that means it's going to drop quickly. But basically, if you see the stock where it's at right now, as you can see after markets, it took a little hit and it stays like this and then rises, and we actually get something credible out of the battery meeting, not like Neuralink when they had some pigs or whatever like that, then we know that the stock is going to go up, and it has a reason to go up because you have new buyers coming in to buy the stock. But it's like I said, it's a new world order stock, so I do expect for it to go up, but will it have a correction? Yes. Now, getting into the stock market crash. Now, guys, we're going to have, like I stated, we're going to have a correction in November. We already can see it. We already know it. The VIX is already telling us, guys, make sure you look at the volatility. Make sure you're looking at the VIX because it tells you everything. So November, October, November, we know we're going to have corrections. Starting basically in January, February, March, we know again we have a correction. But I'm not expecting like a real stock market crash, not until September of next year. We always have corrections, guys. That's not the problem. But I'm talking about the crash that's going to completely wipe this market out. Like Blackstone stated, and we know they handle trillions, that we're going to go through a 10-year period of no earnings. No earnings, guys. And you can clearly see the small businesses being crushed. Not just because we don't have a stimulus. They're being crushed right now. The only people that are making big money are these large corporations. That's it. And if you have my NWO book, you already know that. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Spread this all over social media. And y'all have a wonderful day.
So we've managed to do now a gigawatt hour of energy storage deployment worldwide. This is all the way through from the reign of Ramses II of Egypt through today, which is a very impressive period of time. And in less than a year from now, we will do another gigawatt. So it's a pretty massive, yeah. So the rate of stationary storage deployment is going to grow exponentially. I mean, it's really, I think for many years to come, each incremental year will be about as much as all of the preceding years.